Recall, pi is defined as a ratio of circumference of circle to its diameter. That is, pi is c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? See, I'll explain the question first. Pi value should represent a irrational number. It should represent an irrational number, but we end up writing it as 22 by 7, or we end up writing it as circumference of the circle divided by diameter, if not 2r. If you guys are not able to recall, remember circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. So if I want pi value, I'll divide with 2r both the sides. And so we have pi is equal to c by 2r. Right? So the question is, how is this possible? I mean, we tell that this is irrational, and how is that we are ending up writing a ratio? See, all of this calculation are approximate to the true value. That is, it is close to or very close to the true value. It's not the exact value, it's close to the true value. So either C or R, when we measure using any kind of device or tool or method, we end up taking an approximate value, not the exact value. Because one of this is irrational number, right? Anything dividing irrational number or anything, either numerator or denominator, if it's irrational or both are irrational, you end up with an irrational answer. Right? This funda you know. So that's the answer. There is no contradiction. The reason being, when you measure a length with a scale or any other device, you will only get an approximate rational value. So you may not realize either C or D is irrational. So all we do is an approximation of things. And so yes, with this approximation, we are able to live and progress and get a productive answer. So why not approximate? The exact perfection is not in our hand. So it's not practical. So that is kind of philosophical, but that is your answer.